chat. Hope y'all are doing fantastic today. Today is day 3 of Performance Week. What are we doing? Other than incremental improvements. Same as yesterday. I think today, let's plug in the optimizations that I made to pet base in the movement code into enemy base. Re-enable the movement code there and just see where we're at. Like, how much progress have we made, if any, and how much more do I need? So, get some music going, and let's get to coding. Music. Music. Hello? Ah, there you are. Thank you. So glad you could join us. So first off, pet base. Enemy base. That whole chunk is going to be replaced by this whole chunk. Don't think there's much else needed. I do need to provide a target. And that should just be the chase target. Pretty sure. Glide. If collision is null, return. Commander, normal rotation. Is there anything else taken into account here? This. Forgot about that. Because otherwise the interaction is too slippery. I should probably put that in at base. No, I do want the pets to be too slippery. Like, they need to do anything possible to get back to the player or wherever they're trying to get to. Whereas enemies, I can live with them being a bit more tacky. So if they're pointing in opposite directions, essentially, go ahead and stop. Like, we're moving directly at the surface enough. No, I never implemented speed mod here, did I? No. Now, where is speed setup? There. And a float. I need to look at how I did this before. Max distance. Okay, got it. Just don't use this. The idea for this was just if the distance is, if the speed is high enough that the enemy would be able to like pass their target, don't let them move that fast. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Let me put a note here. There's a few places, like one that comes to mind right away is the crystals. In Crystal Base, the movement probably shouldn't have an animation player because it's such a simple movement. And the shimmer effect on it. Like, I'm using an animation player for that. A tween would handle that just fine. Actually, I think that's baked into the shader, so I don't even need that. Question. Can I also bake the hovering into the shader? Interesting question. Because putting that on the GPU would be nice, since the crystals potentially have a high load, just because there could be a lot of them. So moving as much as possible onto the shader would be... But then I wouldn't get a shadow, would I? Nope. Yep, that won't work. Anyway. Let's check every usage of speed. Yeah, I'm kind of doing some different stuff here with speed than what I'm doing in pet base, but it should still work the way I'm wanting. The nice thing about separating out speed mod is, let's say I have something like a slow field. It could then modify the jump speed, you know, indirectly. And the walk speed, instead of having to apply like some sort of logic to do both. Speed. Part of ready, can ignore that. That. Les gens ne se trompent point, de la peur il se nourrit, ô grand guerrier, je prie pour ta vie. À chaque eau, le soleil faiblit, fuyez mes amis, le néant est ici. Ah, 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 If we could get back to 430, that would be magical. I don't think we're gonna get that, but I mean, theoretically I want to get to 600, but you know, what you gonna do? Alright, so what else we got? Thing is, this set should probably be done in the state transition, but let's hold off on that. Oh, and just in case, I think everything's working fine, but you know, just in case. We good. Okay, we're done there. I don't think any of the inheriting classes do anything with speed. Yep. Boss space might go. Fortunately, no. Nice. Slime Golem and B have a problem. And now if I want to write code where they're chasing something else, it's way easier. Or moving towards something other than what they're chasing. I can now do that pretty easily. Alright. Now's the test! Ugh. Why is dog so fast? That's not right. Okay, so I did get decent frame rate up to about 200. Now we're just absolutely dead in the water. Did I ever add TikTok to this? Nope. This is a function that I saw in, what was it? Qualified functional? No. UF Quick Test Pro. That's what it was. I had to go way back in my mind. So in Quick Test Pro, part of their library is a wrapper around some basic performance metrics and like reporting stuff. And I adore one pattern they have. Static bar. Seconds. Static func. Tick. Text is so time. It ticks. Go. So now instead of remembering this syntax and typing all that, I just do tick, and then whenever I want the time out of it, talk, and when I want to reset the timer, just tick again. Easy peasy. Yeah, this pattern is so simplistic that makes life so much easier for tracking, especially very quick operations. Back in the day when I worked with this stuff, we use this constantly for benchmarking our functions or monitoring the performance of our functions. And we also used it pretty commonly for testing the performance of different functions from the libraries we had access to. Made it very nice for knowing, okay, this thing from this library works really efficiently, this one doesn't. So let's make our own version of this function, but leave this one alone, type of stuff. So, for example, and actually, I think the version in QuickTest Pro also had prints built into it. Like, the main function was just to print out to console. But you need to do a little bit more work if you want to do actual recording. So, at some point, I probably need to just totally redo the way orchestrators and enemy spawner work, because it's super awkward doing it this way. Oh, right, because I can't. The reason I did this way is because I can't declare two types that are valid for a property. Blech. The way I'd have to do that is create a dummy class, have orchestrator base and enemy spawner inherit from that. That would have been the better way to do it. Which is kind of how I did it, but the naming just makes it seem super messy. Globals again. Clean workspace. And let's put the cap at 300. And profile. Not great, but considering we were getting lower FPS than this at 50 enemies last week, this is pretty awesome. Alright. Talk to me. Audio thread somehow is doing something. Don't ask. Physics is... Physics 3D. Physics 2D. So, stuff is happening. I'm curious. So we were at 28.5 on physics 2D. Let's document that. How this number can be bigger than this number, I have no idea. Your relative position is pretty good. See something. Yeah, the dog is still moving too fast. What happened there? Hmm. Divided by self-dot global scale. That's legal, right? Yeah. So we got 37. Yeah. So given the much bigger sample size, this should tell me definitively if and how much more efficient this would be. All right, need the profiler on. Whoops. Is that behaving nicely? Maybe. The physics process 202. Are we still in line? Better there. So yeah, we're still in the same ballpark. Move and collide and slip. Okay, so we gained a little less than 30% by doing that. Interesting. And of course the profiler died on me. Son of a gun. Dang it. I was hoping to see what was causing these spikes. Like that spike. I want to see if I can pinpoint that. What? Nothing really sizable happening down there. Yeah, I shouldn't try to optimize physics yet. There's still too much happening here. Enemies should probably not register their position. That can speed that up ever so slightly. Plus, accessing the dictionary is going to get faster. Okay. But that's still only going to save me, I don't know, 5 microseconds? But I guess for 200 enemies, that's still 1 millisecond saved, so... it's something. So what else is happening in Chase that's so expensive? Ooh, hold on. at the very least, I can optimize this because what's happening is inside here I'm doing this same operation, essentially. It's still only a dictionary lookup. Well, nothing to it but to do it, I guess. Just try it and see what happens. 184, 113. Okay. Let's try retooling this. Details of position, self, and self.chase target. Okay. Okay. See what we get. Oh, hush. Part of B. I mean, we're maintaining a higher frame rate. $133.74. That's a sizable improvement. So one thing to do, make sure I'm only grabbing the relative position one time. And I should only normalize it one time. Okay, I can do better than this. I can do better. So... bar... And I don't update chase target in here at all, do I? Shouldn't. Now, functions like get player direction need to just disappear. Update direction and update animation. Let's hold off. I think I want to rename that though. Fun. Yeah, I don't love it, but probably the best I'm gonna do. 30% increase, I just have to have that. Okay, that'll make that slightly more efficient again. Okay. All right with that. Goes into chase. Update direction, update animation. So we're done with this. Not much that can be simplified here. This is as easy as it gets. Or efficient as it gets, like calculate the angle. Direction of vector is like not even registering on the scale right now. So we'll hold off before touching that. And update animation. Wait a second. 34 milliseconds for direction of vector. Update direction or 0.34 versus update direction, which is 1. How? No way that should be that expensive. How am I using this? Using it for jump. There is a way to drop that. So I could change vector direction to be jump direction. Only update it when we have a state transition to jump. Still not very much to tackle. Go back. Find ourselves what all is happening. This is the most expensive part. let's call it 13% of it is this line right here. What else can I try to tackle? That's the only place that's got stuff happening. Kind of at a loss. I'm kind of hit a wall that don't know what else can be improved. Let's disable collision just to see what the net result is. Yeah. Oh. Whoops. I didn't think about that part, did I? I'm out. This is silly. So these are effectively chasing two things. I need to rename stuff, make this more reasonable. So how am I using this? Deck direction should be move direction. That's not used externally, so private it. Here's player, private. Base target. No one external should be setting that. Don't think. Just in case. Attack target. Even if I'm going to allow something external to set that, I need to be doing it with a function anyway. Yeah, all that should just be private. It'll be faster just to run it and see where it barfs. Is that right? Oh, that's a local rand function. It's fine. Okay, let's add one of each enemy into the playworld, just to make this easier. Honestly, I should probably at some point make a playworld that just has one of every enemy specifically for testing this. Just a second, guys. There we go. Sorry, I had a splinter. I haven't had one of those in forever. Ah, right. Skeleton doesn't really work anymore, does he? What time are we at? Hour and a half? It's time for a break. All right. Where are you refusing I need? Thank you. Okay, they should all play nicer now. Oh. That makes sense. Come on. Yeah, I need to see Hummies in this. What is this actually giving me back? That's just global direction. But I can pass that in. In which case I don't need a return. This I need to think about more, but ooh, I will need to update direction and stuff here. This only applies to slime golems, so it doesn't need to be hyper efficient. It's just undo. Let's just go back. I'll have to revise that, obviously. Now, enabling the linear telegraph. I do not need the return from that at the very least. Yes. Okay. Now this is running every frame. So the other one only runs once per state transition, or on a specific state transition. This runs every frame while in this state. So, I need a new concept called look direction. That's what I need. Yep. In which case, I do need the return from this. Because that sets my look direction, unless I want to set it outside of here. I should probably set it outside of here. Okay. Now back to modular AI. What do I need? We'll be passing an enemy. Great. No reason to return that. Now I'm happy with it. Okay. Now we are in the prep 1 state. There you are. I'll need to check this out. Oh. That's fine. How are we updating look direction? Oh. Hold on. Notes for self. For now, let's get this working. What does this do? This actually updates direction. So this does actually need to return the vector 2. This is nonsense. Ignore it for now. So I need enemy. Look direction. Market direction. Do I even need enemy at this point? Yeah, exposing it will be easiest. Okay. For that. Up here. Hit enemy update direction. And I should not need to return, right? I think I'm okay without having to return. But now I absolutely need a break. When we get back, it'll be for fixing Slime Golem. That'll work. Alright. So I've now got what is, for me, one of the best classes in the game. So this should go amazingly well, right? There should be no problems. Because the chef has a nice swinging attack. It does damage over time. So basically hit one time and you're good. And you can reflect projectiles back. Like so. Oh yeah, and the skill he has heals. Like, if I have a bad run this time, there's just no hope for me. And the trail is annoying, but it's not super detrimental. Like, as far as the quirks go, this might be the mildest. Alright. Easy peasy. Oh. What do we got? Attack supply, mana leech. Meh. And weird mushroom. Let's see what you do. The enemies have spore burst applied to them. What did that do? Alright, for every point of resolve below blah, do additional damage. I do like more damage. Defeated enemies, or enemies defeated with a critical hit, restore your health. Well, as my max health goes down, my damage goes up. Perfect! Ooh, a lot of pictures. Whoa. You good? I missed some stuff back in the first area, but that's fine. Can we be done? What was that? What was that? I think we're okay. Go ahead and heal. Glorious. Okay. Gain 50 resolve per tattered rope. Take increased damage from hazards. Block up to 2 attack. Consume. For block, mana potions restore charges. Nah, I'll take the rope. I'm okay at not falling into spike pits. Not great, but I'm okay at it. Oh, so I just need to time this thing that I have no way of timing. Got it! Perfect! No problem. Oh no! Hold on, can I reset that? No! Okay, now I need you. Have a gun. Is there anything? Oh, there is a chest. I tried. Oh no. Well, so much for being good at not... Whoa, okay. Oh, buddy. Okay, we're okay, we're okay, we're okay, we're okay. No problems. So, why is my ability not coming back? Oh, I need food. Okay, so when I get food, I can get extra healing based on that. But without food, I'm in trouble. Yeah, we're not even trying that room. That is gonna be insane. Oh, beautiful room. Please, RNG, help me out here. Okay, RNG hates me. Got it. He's defeated. Nope. Deal more damage to carbine enemies. All of these are awful. That works, I guess. I want food! No food in any of this garbage. Got him. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Garbage. Okay. We're okay. We're okay. No! I was doing so good! Come on. My health is so low! Still don't know what to do about that. Oh. What can I do here? Basically nothing. Oh! We got heals. That's something. But I'm not risking it for one measly chest. What this? Blocks mid-sized projectiles, recharges over time, refills all charges. Sure. See what this do. It doesn't seem to hurt me, so that's cool. We are not ready for that. Let's go back to the first area and try to get some heals. Oh. Well, that's something. Wow. Hey! I did half decent! And everything explodes. I'm okay with this. Food is less beneficial now, but I wasn't really getting food anyway, so doesn't make much difference now. Game resolved. Deal more damage. Oh yeah, wait. Whatever. I'll do. Nope. I want a relic or whatever that gives me something like heal whenever you pick up gold. Even if it's just one, it'd be amazing. That'll do. Need you to come just a little bit lower. Awesome. Glorious. Oh, how did I not get hit there? Whoop. Oh boy. It's good enough. It's good enough. Get out. Heals it is. Grab and go. All right, we are doing much better now. And let's go to the horrifying place. On the 300 gold to permanently unlock it? Sure. Awesome. And now we're gonna just leave. Let's see, that's Sun Tower. Fijian. Let's see if we can collect some more money in Sun Tower before dying. Even though I don't do particularly well here. Where was all that food earlier? Bruh. Uh-oh. Pretty sure I've messed this up. Oh, somehow I got it. And get out. That'll work. Hey, buddy. Come on down. You're real hard to hit up there. Come on. Easy peasy. You know, after taking a whole bunch of hits. Hello. Bye-bye. Oh. How do I fight you? Oh, that's how. Sure. Dang it. Not going well. That works. And that works. Good. Yeah, how did that hell escape? Gold up top. Ooh, what's that about? Nope.
Nope, 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 nope.
Oh, there's still more to go. Huh. Huh. Right. Oh! Whoop! We're good. We got Ammonite Cape. I'll take it. Ooh, what's this? Blessing of Wisdom. Explosions. No, neither friend nor foe can damage yourself. Will always spill crit. That's not happening. That would be very quickly the death of me. What's this? Translation? I have no idea. Oh, we got a fairy chest below. Hmm. Alright, what's the deal here? Help. Not happening. Just not happening. This is too good of a run to lose on a single chest. Ooh, and that chest! Where do we want to go? Oh! That is exactly what I was trying to avoid. Hey, chap. Well, break went on long enough. Longer than expected. Let's see. What are our options? Self-sacrifice is actually self-sabotage. 100% more health, but you can't heal ever. Meh. Reroll. Got Clown Entropy. Methemoglobinemia and dwarfism. Let's unlock those, though I'm pretty sure the first one just means your character is blue. And the second one is you are smaller. Pretty sure. Now, what are we building? What are we building? I like the idea of more money. Money's always a nice thing. Also, increase starting resolve. Relics cost less resolve. That's a big one. Now reroll relics and curios found in the... Really? I don't remember what weight class even means. Put weight up. Oh, that's literally the equipment. As you upgrade it, it weighs more. I'm thinking maybe hold on to the money. See what I can upgrade out of this screen. Like, can I? Yes, I can go back. Good. Hello, Dad still needs work. How's it going? Now, what does Sanguine give me? Lifesteal roots. Ew. That's probably real good, huh? I'm doing pretty good. Made itty bitty improvements to performance. Like, maybe less than 10%, but hey, it's an improvement. How are you doing? Let's go ahead and buy that. Doing all right. Good. Glad to hear. Want that for the biggest damage. But if I do that, I don't have a way of getting the vampiric. Let's ask first, what does vampiric rune actually do? Because maybe I don't care. I don't have it. Sadness. And additional double jumps. Capacity. No. Roller. Skill crits have a bonus chance to become super crits. I don't care. Rune. Weapon crit chance. Lifesteal. There we are. Restore health for every enemy defeated. Scales with strength. Okay, so that would give me +2 to, I assume, the level of this thing. So right now I'm getting 3%, I'd be gaining, I assume, 9%. Or, I guess that is quantity. But I don't have enough. Yeah, I want the extra lifesteal. That works, I guess. Oh, I'm so itty bitty! Can I unlock anything in here? A higher level can now be found. Oh, that's found. It doesn't automatically give it. Okay, so if I want to take advantage of that, I need to find more equipment chests. Increase max level of those. Gold gain. I'm out. How do I get more of this currency? Been resources by Soulstone. That's like one way to get more anyway. Lock here during your select. Nope. Preferential treatment. Lock the right mode. Will always be a specific class. Oh, that's kind of cool. So I can always have a fallback. But that costs 500. Good heavens. Potential increase max mastery level for all classes. That's a long-term thing. Well, let's go see about getting that gold gain stiff. gain. Gold gain. No store. No. Salt increases gold gain. Yes. Only 5%, but hey, that'll add up. Cannot afford. For curiosity, how far can I push this if I wanted to? Okay, so I can only get up to there for now. So what's my goal for the rest of today? Kinda need to end stream soon. We need to fix up Slime Golem. Enemy, look direction, target direction, stealth. Now that one returns stuff. Right? No. How was I going to avoid doing that? That's okay. I think that's okay. Now, where is look direction coming from for this? Because at the very top, when do we call super? Right, we don't call super. The base function calls into here. So move direction keeps getting updated. Hold on. Let's target direction at... Hold on. Oh, we're fine. Watch, we do that. Chase, do that. And then run. I should probably change this to use chase target. How am I initiating run? Oh, right, because I've got the chase target constantly being updated by the enemy container. That's right. How can I make that more efficient? I guess I don't need that during idle. Or spawn. Let's encapsulate it. Spawn, don't need it. Idle, do not need. Watch, do need. Wander. I don't remember what that does. Jump. Probably not. take a look. Plunder does nothing. Jump. How is my move direction being set for chase? Update direction. Got it. That should happen inside the functions, not outside. Direction. Plunder does nothing. Jump. Not need to update move direction, and actually specifically do not want to update it. Glossy norm. Figure out what direction. Speed. There's no real reason to use the velocity field, but whatever. Update direction to glossy norm. Update animation. Yep, that's all fine. Back to here. Okay, so we don't have anything happening globally anymore. That's awesome. What to do here? Look direction isn't actually different than... Hold up. It's not actually different than move target, is it? The distinction is just how I'm using it. I guess it's prudent to save look direction separately in case I ever start modifying something asynchronously with this. And asynchronously isn't really accurate, but for the sake of conceptualizing it, it makes sense. Like, if somewhere else in the loop I'm editing the move direction, let's just leave it out. So, and here we don't update direction. Cool. Slime golem. Direction is that. Enable that, and go ahead and just update to the look direction. Then rep 1. Look direction hasn't changed. So that we're not trying to go back and forth, up and down, like this is spaghetti code. Plop that. Turn vector 2. Turn look here. Back in slime golem. Look direction is that. Self update direction, look direction. Awesome. Assuming where am I setting that? Oh. Oh. Oh, that makes it so much easier. I love it when I do that. It's awesome when I plan ahead and things work out. Alright. Not much will have changed since the last test we ran. So this is our last best attempt. Simplified movement. Yeah, let's do a run of this and we'll pick up the performance testing again tomorrow. Anything I can buy here. Yes. Also, do we know where to get sanguine spheres? Like, I know they're all tied to specific zones. Go to legacy to get each. Drop randomly from iron and golden chests. Drop ability is tied to the room level biome. Yeah, I know! Sir, you have skipped some stuff. All I care about is Sanguine. Where do I find Sanguine? This set focuses on lifesteal and return damage, allowing player to deal retaliatory damage to enemies that hit them. Gradually heal back damage taken. Even without its final unity bonus, the set is invaluable for healing, blah blah blah. Where do I get it? Where do I get it? I can see where to get Sanguine set. Chest starting around the Sun Tower and Axis Mundi. Or I don't know that I believe you. Where did you get your info? You don't mention Sun Tower at all in this wiki, so fine. Maybe I'll mention it. Or here? No. No, you're gonna be like this? Oh my god. Chat, where do I find this thing? Do I just trust AI? Maybe Game Rant will have the info. Don't know about trusting AI? No, we should definitely trust AI with everything. But the most interesting and fun for players, especially those with high strength builds. What? Oh my god. Where does it drop? Biome to find Sanguine set. I mean, Citadel Agartha shouldn't prove, right? So I can get Ammonite gear fine, and most of the things said that I need to get the full set. Yep. Notice that cloaks and especially amulets grow up later than the rest of the set, and cutoffs are clean by biome. Oh. Get lucky with chest spawn deep in the last biome, but to get that far in, you should be able to handle New Game Plus. Had the full Sanguine set on New Game Plus 1. Really luck-based on the actual items. So with the game haven't progressed any New Game Plus and has full set of +1 everything through Drowned. Okay, so just go to higher level areas. Got it. Here we go! I hope you're ready for imminent death. Also because I have a sword. Itty bitty sword. I don't know how I'm going to be able to manage this. I think the simple answer is I won't manage this. And there we go. I'm doing far better than I should be. Let's be real. I have no right to be surviving this. So I don't even get to read these? Gain 10% more magic damage per something. And that makes Spore Burst when I kill enemies. The most useful of the two. Oh god, everything hurts. Yeah, no, we're gonna die. Hey, Warden Trinket! Awesome! Hey! I didn't die in here! Defeat all enemies. I'm sorry. 60% less health and you can't deal damage. What massive boost to Gold Find. Yeah, sure. Let's do one of these silly runs real quick. Sure. Probably should not have brought Sanguine. Oh, there's a chest in here. All right. Nope. That is not worth. Bye. Let's just go to a high level area. Not getting money from killing stuff is making this not as worthwhile. Increase your current gold by... Ooh. Or Azure Aegis. Whatever that does. I don't trust my ability to get back here. Damage absorbed by your mana. Okay. Get a blow or learning something new. Gain additional air dashes. Nice. Gimme. Defeat all enemies. Well, I'm gonna have so much success with that. Whoa, boy. Fine. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. There's no problems here. Yeah, I can't damage that either. Well, maybe I should have taken that, bonus. Oh dear. How does this work? It works exactly like that. Now, how can I get past you, sir? Like this. Food? Food? Nah, nothing in here ever has food. Glorious. And we're gone. Whoop. Okay, what? Come on over there. Seriously, dum-dum? Seriously, dum-dum. Just glorious. Searing shot. Spelunker. Sure, let's reveal it. Anything to upgrade. Oop. That we done. All right, been fun, and we've made progress. Very, very slow incremental progress. That is going to do it for today. So, everyone, thank you all so much for joining. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. If you did, please give the video a share. Maybe you know someone that wants to learn game dev along with us. And as always, an extra special thank you to my supporters on Ko-fi. You all so much. And above all, guys, hope you all have an amazing day. Take care, everyone.